10 DIY Easy Christmas Garland Tutorials. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting into the holiday spirit with 10 absolutely gorgeous DIY Christmas garlands that will transform your home into a winter wonderland. From classic popcorn strings to elegant dried oranges, these garlands are budget-friendly, super creative, and perfect for any decorating style. Grab your crafting supplies, and let's create some Christmas magic together. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell to join our crafting family. Tutorial number 1. Popcorn and cranberry. Pop plain popcorn and let cool completely. Using a tapestry needle and strong thread, string alternating patterns, 3 popcorn kernels, then 2 cranberries. Keep thread tension gentle to avoid crushing. Continue until reaching desired length, approximately 6 feet for standard doorway. Tie off ends with small loops for hanging. Pro tip: slightly stale popcorn works best as it's less likely to break. Tutorial number 2. Salt dough ornaments. Mix 2 cups flour, 1 cup salt, and 3/4 cup warm water into dough. Roll to a 1/4 inch thickness. Cut snowflakes and stars using cookie cutters. Pierce hanging holes before baking. Bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Once cooled, paint white, brush with glue, and sprinkle with silver glitter. Thread metallic ribbon through holes, spacing ornaments 5 inches apart. Tutorial number 3. Felt holly leaves. Cut holly leaf shapes from green felt using a template, pointed ends, serrated edges. Make 30 to 40 leaves in varying sizes. Create 3-leaf clusters, stitching together at bases. Roll small red felt balls for berries or use red pom-poms. Attach 3 berries to each cluster center. Connect clusters with invisible thread, overlapping slightly. Tutorial number 4. Dried orange and cinnamon garland. Begin by slicing oranges into a 1/4 inch thick rounds. Pat dry and arrange on a baking sheet, then dry in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit 93 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours, flipping occasionally. Once cooled, use a large needle to thread baker's twine through the dried orange slices. Between each orange, add a cinnamon stick by wrapping twine around its middle. String cranberries in groups of 3 between elements. Finally, tuck small sprigs of fresh pine into the gaps, securing with floral wire where needed. Tutorial number 5. Paper snowflake chain. Start with 8 by 8 inch squares of white paper. Fold each square in half diagonally, then in half again, and once more, to create a small triangle. Cut intricate patterns along both open edges. Unfold to reveal snowflakes. Create 15 to 20 snowflakes in varying sizes. Punch small holes at the top and bottom of each snowflake. Connect them using jump rings or by threading clear fishing line through the holes, spacing snowflakes 4 inches apart. Tutorial number 6. Wooden bead and tassel. Thread large 1.5-inch wooden beads onto sturdy twine. For tassels, wrap cotton yarn around a 6-inch piece of cardboard 30 times. Slip off and tie at one end, then cut the bottom loop. Wrap yarn around the top to create the tassel head. Make 8 to 10 tassels. Paint every third wooden bead with gold acrylic paint. Once dry, attach tassels between groups of 3 beads using small knots. Tutorial number 7. Mini gift box. Cut 2 by 2 inch squares from festive cardstock. Score and fold each square into tiny boxes using a bone folder. Create lids slightly larger. Fill boxes with miniature bells or leave empty. Wrap each box in coordinating paper, tying with the tiniest ribbons. Pierce each box's top corners with a needle, threading ribbon through to connect. Space boxes 3 inches apart. Tutorial number 8. Pine cone and ribbon. Collect medium-sized pine cones and clean with a gentle vinegar solution. Once dry, dip tips in white paint, letting excess drip off. While drying, cut 2-inch wide burgundy velvet ribbon into 8-inch lengths. Once pine cones are dry, hot glue ribbon ends to pine cone bases, creating a chain. Add small golden bells at ribbon joints for extra charm. Tutorial number 9. Book page rosettes. Tear pages from old books, use damaged ones. Cut into 2 by 12-inch strips. Accordion fold strips every ½ inch. Fold the pleated strip in half and fan out into a circle. Hot glue ends together to form rosette. Create 12 to 15 rosettes. Brush edges with gold paint. Once dry, connect rosettes using twine through their centers, spacing 6 inches apart. Tutorial number 10. Fabric scrap bunting. Cut holiday fabrics into 4 by 6 inch triangles or rectangles. Fold top edge of each piece over a length of twine, securing with fabric glue or stitching. Alternate patterns and textures overlapping slightly. Add small jingle bells or wooden beads between pieces. For extra flair, fray edges slightly or add lace trim to bottom edges. That's all of our 10 Christmas garland projects you can easily craft. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for new video like this.